G'day guys, Greg here. Just before I get started, listen, can you see me from the background? Just in case, this is me here. This is my face. Anyway, listen, I'm going to be reviewing something today that has been in the freezers of Australia for as long as I can remember. And my memory is pretty shot, you know. But today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Or is it this one right here? Either way, it's packaged pretty good. It's Griff's McCains Curried Prawns. What an absolute cracker this should be. Now, if you're not too sure what prawns are, in America they're called shrimp. So Griff's McCains Curried Shrimp is what I'm going to be trying today. So I want to give this a go because I'm not even too sure if I've had one. I could have, but you know. Now this product does have a 3-star health rating, which means absolutely nothing other than a lot of government bureaucracy. I'm keen to find out how many prawns are in this. Let's suss out its ingredients. Yeah. Ingredients: curry sauce, 44%. Gee, that's a lot of sauce. Although it does look pretty saucy on the front. A bit like me. Water, potato, onions, carrots, beans, flavour, spices, wheat, sugar, salt, wheat, flour, milk, solids, thickener, blah, 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 blah. How much rice is in this? Rice mix: cooked rice, water, rice, cereals, corn, kernels, peas, soy sauce, wheat, parsley. Well, it doesn't say how much percentage of rice is in there, but it does say at the end, prawns, 16%. And as this being 400 grams, 16 times 4, that would be 64 grams of prawns. Prawns are like $30 a kilo, so wow. I can't even do that math, so if somebody can do it for me, that'd be great. Contains crustacean milk. How on earth do you milk a crustacean? So anyway, that's the ingredients. Now, how nutritious is this for us? Well, let's find out. Energy, 1390 kilojoules. 1390 kilojoules? Man, that means I could have like 6 of these or 5 every day and stay within my average daily adult intake. That doesn't sound right, does it? Because it's 400 grams. So anyway, that's what it says, so we're just going to go by that. Protein is 2.9%, fat is 1.5%, carbs is 14%, sugars 1.4%, and sodium is 1120 milligrams. 2/3 your daily salt intake. We do love our salt here down under. And you got to cook prawns in salt, let's face it, otherwise they taste like absolute. So how about we take this out of the box and suss them out. Alrighty. I'm excited. I really am. I can't wait to have this for lunch. If I could get into the box, how do you even get into this? Ugh. Ah. Well, they're right about the curry sauce being 44%. Looks like more like 66% to me. And there's the rice. Looks alright. How do we cook it though? Remove frozen meal from carton. Rightio. Pierce film in 2 places with a fork. Place in microwave oven. I'm not listening to you. I'm using a knife because I'm a rebel. Cook on high for 4 minutes. Carefully peel back film lid and stir sauce prawns. Place film lid back over and return to oven. Continue on high for another 3 minutes. Remove from oven. Carefully peel film lid and stir sauce prawns. Stand for 2 minutes. Microwaves are based on a 1200 watt oven. Who's got one of those? Alright, let's do this. 4 minutes. Even though my oven's probably only 1000 watts. Who's got a 1200 watt oven? Please, name one person. Alright, well the 4 minutes is up, so we need to peel this back. Stir the prawn sauce, which is still frozen and crunchy. But have a look at this 16% of prawns. I can see them already. This is great. No wonder you got to stir it. I mean, well, it is still frozen underneath, so we'll give it a good stir. No bullying though, just stirring. Lid back on. And 3 more minutes in my 1000 watt microwave, I think. I don't know. Alright, well that 3 minutes is up and here we have it. Let's take a look. Wow. That looks pretty, well, what's the adjective that would best describe this? If you got one, let me know down below. Now let's see if it looks anything like the picture on the front. My first reaction would be to say no, but I still haven't stirred this up yet, so let's get some prawns to the top. And the answer is still no. But the 16% looks way more than this 16%, doesn't it? And this rice here, was there bits of carrot and corn and peas? Looks like the aftermath of a big night. Anyway, let's try some. I might start off with this rice actually, because I doubt this is going to taste any good, right? Oh, no way! It's amazing how right I can be. Although I'm pretty sure that the rice is there to mix in with this and make it a delicious, juicy meal of curried prawns. Let's try some of this sauce. Tastes like a curry. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick in the back of your throat when you swallow it. That little bit of spiciness about it. Not too bad. Not too good though. But it does taste like a curry that someone that's not really good at cooking would have made. How about we mix some of this together? I've got a prawn there. Sweet as. Mix in with some rice. Well, the prawns in there have absolutely no flavour whatsoever. When you bite into it, it's just this hard, crispy thing that just goes crack between your teeth. So basically, they're just there for show, I think. Although we do all remember how healthy prawns are for us, don't we? All the amino acids, all the, I don't know, something, fatty acids of omegas and stuff. Man, this is pretty average. My excitement has waned. It's sort of, well, I mean, it's all right. Don't get me wrong. Although, but it is pretty average. But I must be wrong because this has been around for absolutely ever, this product. So there's only one reason why this should be around is because people keep buying it. So a lot of people out there must like it. I mean, it's 400 grams in weight. It's a good solid feed. You're getting your omegas and your aminos. You're getting your curry taste and your veggies and some rice, and man, it's a good solid meal. But would I be going and buying another one of these to keep in the freezer at some stage on the odd occasion where I need something to cook and I'm too lazy? You know what? I probably would. Not too sure about the full price of these. I think it's like $5.50 or $6 or something, so it's not cheap, but hey, you know what? It's a solid meal. It's got the curry taste. It's burning the back of my throat. It's got your prawns and your rice and all the other things, carrots and peas and corn. So it pretty much covers all the food groups, and well, it's not great tasting, but it tastes all right. So there you go. Griff's curried prawns. Not something I'd be rushing to the shop to try, but if you do give it a go, don't blame me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are famous.